मेरा माइक लगाओ क्या? मेरा माइक लगाओ तो मेरा डेलीकेट लगता है। हाँ आगे जाओ आगे जाओ। खड़ा हो किधर है? बच्चे ले कैमरा लेफ्ट में लो पहले। नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं तो पीछे से आओ
भैया हमको जाने दो
ठीक है। भाई तू क्रॉस रहे ना क्रॉस ऐसे क्यों रह रहे क्रॉस ऐसे इधर हाथ डालना और तू क्रॉस हो जाना बस ऐसे क्या यार तू भी नहीं कर रहा है मोबाइल स्टिक में नहीं तो पीछे से आ जाओ आइए है ना जाओ क्रॉस रे एक घंटा में से ज्यादा नहीं क्रॉस है ना ठीक है ना हाँ मैं सोच रहा अरे इधर से नहीं आ रहा सही है भाई तो हमको चलो खड़ी कर आता दादा बस नाही जागाच नाही बस आगे मध्ये येणार मी वरती गेलो तर मलाच मिळणार नाही रे काय तुला मिळणार चांगलं यार नाही मिळत नाही म्हणून तर बोलते तुझा कॅमेरा येतो
ये कैमरा पे बेसिकली कैमरा से
कैमरा तो लगा के दो
हाँ यहाँ
Even this is yeah. This
No, there is no space over there. You have to just the camera shape block.
no problem होगा ना हमको हेलो स्टार्ट बहुत जल्दी है भाई अरे कैमरा एक और लगेगा
लगाने वाले हैं ये भी काम है they're getting it it is confident सुनो ना the camera person is coming here can't you just do it from up
yes yeah इनके अंदर पीछे आ जाओ ना सर कैमरा आ रहा है कैमरा कैमरा मोबाइल
हेलो Hi everyone, welcome to Talent Academy. Acha Prati Vaswani and this is Kriti Sananji.
अरे ऑडियो नहीं है
Hi guys, hi everyone.
इनके अंदर पीछे आ जाओ ना जरा
मैं कैमरा का लगा आप आगे हो जाइए आगे हो जाइए
फ्लैश मत मारो प्लीज
Guys, once you all stop
राइट
all the angles, every
हेलो मोबाइल प्लीज
ये दरवाजा अगर बंद हो सकता है तो बहुत अच्छा होगा बाहर से बहुत शोर आ रहा है
साइलेंट अरे
जगह ही नहीं है एक मिनट जगह
मैं क्या बस रखे
मैं जगह देता हूँ तो आप जा सकते हैं तो
गड़बड़ करते रहेंगे
मोबाइल
नहीं जाएगा तो इवेंट चलेगा
अरे ब्रेक ये मोबाइल
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 So, if everyone doesn't know, Kriti, for the movie Saira, actually I should say, right? I should say Saira. For the movie, बहुत practice करी है, बहुत learning किया है हमने. So, for the movie Ravna, which is definitely releasing, it's releasing on the 9th of June. So, of course, everyone will go and watch that. But let's unfold all the secrets. कि क्या सीखना पड़ा आपको? पापड़ नहीं मिलने पड़ी chocolate बनाने में. So, tell me
Facebook
how was your
Live.
experience about chocolate?
I think firstly, I'm a person who does
down.
not like cooking.
Imtiaz,
I
तुम भी
hate
थोड़ा
तो पीछे आ जाओ ना।
So when I so please आप चुप हो जाइए ना, आप बहुत बोल रहे हो, मेरे से ज़्यादा आपकी आवाज़ आ रही है।
सिमरन
Sorry. I sort of I'm someone who does not like cooking. तो जब मुझे पता चला कि मुझे चॉकलेट बनानी है और मुझे चॉकलेट बनाना सीखना है, तो मैं थोड़ा सोच रही थी कि वो गॉड कैसे होंगी ये क्लासेस. But it was so much fun. I had so much fun, I think, doing everything. And to my surprise, Rakhi told me on the first session that your hand moves well. You know, you get the groove of
बहुत
it.
मेहनत कराई ना.
And the best thing about chocolate making is that you're surrounded with the chocolate smell, which keeps you going all the time. And it's fascinating to see how these different wonderful chocolates and what kinds of chocolates are there. Because मेरा जो character है वो एक chocolate shop चलाती है, Saira. Chocolates बनाती है. We even have montages of shots of me making chocolate in my chocolate shop. And सायरा को मैंने थोड़ा सा जो पुराने स्टाइल्स और पुरानी चीज़ें पसंद करती है, मेरे दिमाग में ट्रेडिशनल या मेरे दिमाग में ये बैक स्टोरी थी कि शी हैज़ इनहेरिटेड द चॉकलेट शॉप फ्रॉम वन ऑफ हर आंट्स. एंड वो चॉकलेट शॉप भी जो है वो थोड़ी ट्रेडिशनल दिखती है, उसके तरीके जो हैं वो थोड़े ट्रेडिशनल हैं. But I think I really enjoyed the whole process, which is what makes all the difference. And to look like someone who makes chocolates, yeah, we had to go through a lot.
So tell me, how was your experience by the way?
It was very good, and I love she teaches like a बच्चे को जैसे सिखा रहे हैं छोटी details, and she used to tell me like every small detail about the kinds of chocolates and what you're making, what is the difference between one and the other.
Question coming up with kind of chocolate. ये technical question है, मैं टेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ मेरी स्टूडेंट कितनी अच्छी है. So tell me, what are the kinds of chocolate?
So there's compound chocolate and there's Kuacha chocolate.
Okay, so what is compound and what is Kuacha? देख रहे हैं
Like an
test हो रहा है, exam हो रही है. Yes, of course. ये exam आपको pass करने फिर मैं fail हो जाऊँगी.
Yeah, so the compound chocolate is basically the run-of-the-mill, the generic chocolate that we all have. It is made up of cocoa and fats and other stuff. It does not require tempering. Now tempering is something that जो pure chocolate होती है उसको melt करके एक temperature तक, which is about 42 degrees तक लेके जाना होता है. Then you cool it down to about 32 degrees. Yeah, approximately. And that's when it sets. That's the setting temperature.
But did you do this technique? I don't think so.
Not there. So the compound chocolate is easier to handle because it does not require tempering. मैं layman language में अगर बोलूँ तो आप बहुत बार एक chocolate कोई खाते हैं जो छूने से ही almost melt हो जाती है. So that's more pure. That's made out of cocoa beans. And the compound chocolate has fats and other things.
More color and everything.
Yeah.
But जो pure chocolate होता है उसमें cocoa solids ज़्यादा होता है. Which is made from the beans, so the percentage भी दिया जाता है. So when Kriti came, we worked with 63. No, you can go up to 80, 90. But when Kriti came to me, there was this challenge. When Saira is inheriting this shop, जो उसके aunt आए और ये बहुत traditional shop. So अगर हम लोग technically modern way में अगर chocolate tempering करते हैं, you need a tempering machine. आपको laser gun चाहिए होता है to see the temperature. हम temperature देखते हैं chocolate का, which she didn't learn, and she learned it the traditional way, जो सिर्फ touch or
I'm actually going to do tempering in front of you guys, so you can know how it's going to be. But tempering मेरा जो favorite part था chocolate making का वो था. और मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता था tempering करने में. I think you will see the smile on my face when I'm doing it in front of you. It's even shown in the film. I don't know. In a lot of montages, there's one montage where me and Sushant are actually taking the doing tempering, and he's holding my hand and he's making a mess out of it. But
better over there.
Yeah.
So that's one well answered question. Tell me, when you went back after training, she took around कितने classes लिया आपने?
I think 5 classes, including that brush up class that we had at the end.
How to check? She wanted to be like a nice student. Can you please test me कि बराबर?
I actually want to brag about something. because I learned it so well here.
Yes.
When I went to Budapest, they got one trainer there as well.
Yes.
One instructor there. And they said कि यार वो सीन करना है तो आप एक बार जाके ना थोड़ा प्रशिक्षण लो. And I went there and trust me, I did everything on my own and she was surprised and she was like, you don't
Thank
need
you so much. That feels great. I'm elated and I'm top of the world. I remember when you met me back over here, so when you told me this, it was like the best.
And
day
she
for
was
me.
so sweet because when I was in Budapest, she used to message me, how's it going? Did the chocolate making happen? How did those scenes go? What all did you do? So she was more enthusiastic about it than even I was.
Yes, I was. I remember I was really happy about it. And you did a fantastic job. We're going to show them कि हमने क्या किया. So tell me, when you went back, आपने कितनी training और करी? And did Shashank and Deepu like it? Did you make them try?
Once again, they used to enjoy all the chocolates that I used to make here. I used to make boxes of chocolates that I tried making here, and they all used to enjoy as a matter of office. Very nicely. I think somewhere me and Sushant kind of started bonding only on chocolates.
Oh, lovely.
Because he loves chocolates. Awesome, yeah.
So you're the next chocolatier in Mumbai, is it?
Yeah, probably. I think it's one dessert that I can make.
Okay, great. That's amazing. So should we get started?
Yeah, I think let's start with the tempering. So I think this needs to be heated up once more.
Okay, so the student has learned really well. So the technique is meaning we are going to show the tempering of the chocolate. हम थोड़े truffles भी बनाने वाले हैं, right? Okay, so इसे मैं temper में ऐसे heat कर देती हूँ. थोड़ा सा microwave में वापस आ जाएगा. Why don't you grab your apron on?
Yes. So going on the traditional way and going as Saira, I have to take off all the rings that I'm wearing. You cannot be wearing all this when you're cooking, especially. And deliberately, I've had my hair back because she would have scolded me for this.
And all those lovely rings.
Yes. I've taken off my shoes, I've taken off my rings.
बस कैमरा आया शेफ. ये एक बहुत ट्रेडिशनल मेथड है ऐसी, तो इसलिए हम लोग अपना सरफेस क्लीन रखते हैं. And she's going to show you कैसे किया जाता है ये. You need a marble or a granite surface.
Cool it down basically because that's cold.
Yeah. Student has learned really well. सारे आंसर सही जवाब.
I am a quick learner. I used to be like, even in my BTech and my college and school, I used to be like, I have to know all the answers. I freak out otherwise. And just I can get the chocolate.
I'll hold it. Remember this?
Yeah, but I don't want to use it.
Yeah, but we'll just counteract and show them.
Yeah.
So let's see. I'll just change it. You can put it.
This is the best part. It looks so young. Wait.
Thank you.
No worries. So हमने ये टेक्निक नहीं यूज की थी. She'll show you with the look and feel.
It feels like I don't want to make it. So you basically just nicely spread it. And then you take it like that. Am I doing it right? I'm doing it after ages. Huh?
Yes. Perfect. So what she's doing is basically spreading it ताकि वो अच्छे से cool down हो जाए. And जैसे ही वो thick होने लगता है, look, she's working like a professional. And वो thick होने लगेगा.
Already started.
Yes. And
I think this is the last one I'm doing.
yes, I know. So she's already understood it. Where are you going to check and tell them?
I will just do it.
इनका थोड़ा
What's
हाँ
your
बस ऐसे
checking point? Yes.
Yeah, I can feel it here.
Yeah. So this is your most sensitive part, as you see, and the lip. So do you wanna try? You try it?
Yeah, I
Okay.
almost make it.
Yeah. Okay. So there you go. So because ये हमारा sensitive part है, this is how she learned. आप देख सकते हैं chocolate thick हो गया. So she could recognize without me even taking the temperature that ये setting point पे आ चुका है. So then this chocolate can now go into a mold. Should we make something out of it ना, कुछ bags आप लोग देखना चाहेंगे कुछ chocolate बनाते हुए इसके बाद?
Let's do bars.
Yeah, bars बनाए, चलिए बनाते हैं.
Not bars.
Yeah, चलिए. कुछ tasty which even they should be able to taste कि आपने क्या chocolate बनाया. Yeah, the bowl is small and you're too tall for our small one of the chef. Food stations. Good job. देख सकते हैं आप हमारी स्टूडेंट ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है.
And as you say, not waste the chocolate.
Very expensive chocolate.
And because I want the chocolate my daily
Yes. So let Shaitan come to buy chocolate for the movie. We need to know this. Yeah.
Yeah, he does.
ये स्टोरी बताइए ना क्या हुआ था.
इतनी स्टोरी वो एक्चुअली पहली बार मिलते ही चॉकलेट शॉप गया. चॉकलेट शॉप वाज लाइक अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट.
हाँ.
And it's one of the scenes. It's one of the scenes in my intro basically, where I'm making chocolate and it just gives you a nice Saira vibe, I would say. That making chocolates and I tempered in the first in the intro.
हाँ. And he walks in at that time.
He actually walks in when I'm washing the dishes.
Oh, okay. Lovely.
But he because he
सारा
loves
बहुत
chocolate.
मेहनत करती है पिक्चर में basically.
Yeah.
क्या सारा काम सीखा है सारा ने. Actually Kriti ने. Okay. So this is done. Let's make the bars. Something. Yeah. Let me just have can someone just send us a wet napkin to clean this? Or let's. Yeah, I'm asking. Can someone just send me the sponge from there, please, to clean the workstation?
Yes, sir.
No, we're doing the bar first, please.
अरे पहले सब लगने का ना आके
पहले याद नहीं.
हाँ अभी रख रहे आके.
You haven't forgotten.
बघ आता.
Yeah. A year.
Yeah, a year. You haven't.
More than a year, in fact. I started shooting in April.
Should I feel proud as a nice teacher?
Yeah.
Yes, I should. Because this is something very technical, na, by the way. We just need a sponge, guys. First, give us a sponge to clean this, please.
Pratik.
Give us a sponge to clean this first.
Guys, chocolate bar से क्या ना please watch दे दो. Should I give an issue with
वो बेचारा तो परेशान है.
मेरे को क्या दे.
I'm keeping this aside, huh?
क्या करूँ मैं तो नहीं आएगा.
मैं धीरे धीरे
नहीं आएगा. इसके लिए मेहनत करूँ. तुम लोग होते हुए मैं ऐसे करता.
Please stay outside.
कितना खा रही हो. हाथ में लगा भी नहीं उसको.
अबे इंडियन सच्ची बैठना
भूल गया यार.
काटी तरफ हो गया मेरे यहाँ से गया
Can we please have the sponge? चेकर्ड वाली जो है प्लीज स्पॉन्ज है वो दे दीजिए. हाँ प्लीज दे दीजिए ना.
वेरी गुड. चलो हो
Straight bars के लिए भी आप ready? This one? Yes.
ये बड़ो में
Yeah, we can put it on.
So this is the simplest thing that you can do with chocolate, to just make it a little bit, to just add a little yumminess to it. You just take the liquid chocolate, add whatever you want to add in it. If you like fruits, you can add fruits, you can add marshmallows, you can add some nuts. So you can make a mixture of a nice bar which has a lot of goodies in it.
Yes, 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 you can.
आ रहा है अरे जूम करना
Making a smaller version and showing you हमने जब ऐसे बनाए थे rustic bars you remember actually हमने tray में बनाए थे rustic bars ये सारे hand molded chocolate से जो बनाए हैं हमारे लिए ना we don't have anything in shells and all so the shop is very traditional तो सारे rustic चीजें बनाई हैं
We actually made some bonbons as well.
yes yes
We made truffles, we made bonbons.
That's okay. You can use that also. You want to get rid of the bubbles by tapping them down?
ले नहीं सकते नहीं
So she's tapping out all the bubbles, that's why. और इसको गिरवी कर देंगे so that's what the subject here is supposed to be, no? Yes. Yeah. So इसको practice बनाने के लिए
Try.
whatever you like.
So let's start with our
चलिए.
Let's start. Spread it nicely. And marshmallow. I just love the way they look here. Okay, just add a little color. Freeze it.
Yeah, you can use cranberries and make it nice and attractive.
more colourful.
Yeah. They need to see the colors what Saira is bringing onto the chocolate. So Saira के लिए कैसे बनाना है Saira?
I think enough. If I add too much, it's enough to make a mess. Maybe one.
Please हाँ please करके nicely. So जो gaps है बाकी है perfect.
Should we tap it again?
Yeah, थोड़ा. Yeah. Is that good enough, guys? You want to post that? अब एक हम set करेंगे in the fridge हमारे पास glass चिराई है लेके डाल सकते हैं.
Yeah?
Lovely. Yeah. What else can you put over this, Kriti?
What else can we put?
आप इसके ऊपर और chocolate बना सकते हैं.
We can sprinkle some crystals if you have.
Okay, testing you again. Testing you.
I think we can sprinkle some
So
crystals.
did you actually make these for the this for the movie?
For the movie, actually, we didn't have so much space that we could actually show a lot of chocolates. But I did roll the truffles in the cocoa powder, which looks really nice.
Which you have to do today also because they need to see what you did. Okay. So अब इसे set कर दें? So now at this stage the chocolate needs to go for setting in the fridge. तो हम इसे भेज देते हैं. आप लोग ये taste करना चाहेंगे? Everyone? Yes? Okay. Great. Great job. Set हो जाए. बहुत सारे नम्रता पर chocolate भी बहुत है. Don't worry.
हमने pre-set करके भी रखी थी.
So that's all will be taken care of. आप टेंशन ना करें. So should we move on to the next thing?
Yes.
चलिए. तो हम बनाते हैं अभी क्या बनाना है आपको chocolates? Chocolates का करना है? I think we can
भरपूर खाली केलं
थोडे वर्जन आहे कारण माझ्या तिथं
So I'm sure you. I'm sure you kind of have more questions for me on the truffles.
Yes, I do. So मुझे बताइए truffles कैसे बनते हैं?
So truffles are basically a combination of chocolate and cream ganache, which you cool it and you set it, and then you make these chocolate balls out of it, which I used to call laddus actually because she hates it when I call it laddus. But मुझे ना याद आता था बहुत पहले बचपन में मेरी मॉम जो है वो बेसन में लड्डू बनाती थी और जब वो बनाती थी तो मैं उनके साथ कभी कभी लग जाती थी। मुझे बहुत मजा आता था वो बेसन से हाथ में लड्डू बनाना।
तो आपको लगा था कि आप वेस्टर्न लड्डूस बनाने वाले हैं?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगा था, लेकिन मुझे बहुत मजा आता था ये बनाने में। And I used to do it like I was doing it long back with my mom.
One thing I must say, she's a very dedicated learner. तो शांति में she's and I remember you used to have a very hectic regime.
Yeah.
So she was learning, she was doing horse riding, and there was something else.
Swimming,
there was एक और कुछ very rigorous like martial arts.
Yeah, martial arts.
Exactly. So she had training all of this, and in that day she was doing these simple, nice, and very early chocolates also. And
so I used to start with swimming in the morning, early morning. Come to chocolate making in the afternoon. Then go for a little bit of martial arts, and then go for horse
so
riding.
basically हम रास्ता में सायरा के बहुत सारे रूप देखने लगे.
Saira and Saiba actually, which is another life, another time.
Okay. So that's the twist. So we are seeing all of this. तो आगे सारा देखने वाले हैं. तो multi-talented है basically सायरा है.
Yeah.
That's nice. Okay, so truffles का आंसर तो सही था. Full marks on that. Now let's see what we're going to do with it. So हमने ये बना के रखे हैं.
She's already made the laddus because she knew I would start enjoying it too much. So,
Okay. So now you want to roll them. We can roll them in cocoa. We've got pistachio, we've got hazelnut.
should I roll that in this one?
Yes, in this. Yes.
So this is fairly simple. I'm just going to pick it up.
अंदर देखो
So this is fairly simple.
हाँ ऐसे डाउन रखो
You roll it till it gets fully covered, and you can see these here.
But इसका एक special flavor था that you used to use.
I used to love sea salt caramel truffles actually, which we talk about, like I talk about as Saira in this as well. Which is it's got this caramel flavor with chocolate with a little bit of salt. So that was my favorite. And I used to those I never took to Maddox. I used to always take them back and have them myself. So yeah.
So let's see if we can get you some sea salt. If anyone can pass us a sea salt from there, if you'd like to relive those memories.
Sure. I'm excited with the colors right now.
Sure, go ahead. So this looks very simple, guys, but it's very difficult to make truffles. तो ये वो पूरा गनाश खुद बनाती थी, and इसे हम पाइता होते हैं लड्डू बना के. You have to set them in the fridge for a very long time. तो obviously हम इतनी देर आपको wait नहीं करा सकते थे, हमने ये set करके रखे हैं. They are not as simple as they look. This part is the most simplest, but
But they look beautiful.
yeah, but making is really tougher. So that's hazelnut, and then you've got desiccated coconut, and
That's white chocolate. That's so soft, yeah.
it becomes soft because we've been waiting for a while for you. So don't use the white ones, you use the other.
Yeah, because it's become very
We've
soft.
kept it out for a while.
That's what happens in Bombay. You can't really make pure chocolate.
Yes. You've learned fair now. Okay. So guys, this is for you. Truffles. Should we pass this to someone over there to taste, or I think they may?
I think let's get done with the whole thing and we'll eat everything.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
So
What next?
So tell me, after the movie, are you going to did you enjoy cooking and learning how to make chocolate, and
So
are
I
you going to
think-
pursue this now?
I think chocolate making is probably one of the only parts of cooking that I really enjoy. And I would love to do it once in a while. I think it's that one of those Sundays when you really feel like making something nice and having like a good dessert, a fairly simple one. And these chocolates can obviously stay in your fridge for a longer time. So yeah, I'll probably send you
Friends
some.
and family are going to be making them.
I'll probably send you also some. I was going to get my mom here, but then I knew it's going to be very crowded. So she was actually very shocked that, "Are you're cooking? Are you sure you will be doing it?" So yeah, she's going to see this
So
video.
I guess we've proved them. Have you proved it, guys? Have you all seen her talent as a chocolatier now? So we we're waiting for everyone to go watch the movie. Thank you so much. I think I'm really happy and really excited.
हाँ sure. Question है. हाँ. Please.
बूम डाल दो
Is there any connection? It's Saira, yeah. Saira जो है वो चॉकलेट शॉप में एक चॉकलेट शॉप चलाती है, वो चॉकलेट्स बनाती है. And in fact, शिव और सायरा पहली बार उसकी चॉकलेट शॉप में मिलते हैं. तो of course that is very important and because I was playing someone who makes chocolates and हम थोड़ा बहुत दिखा रहे हैं सायरा को चॉकलेट बनाते हुए, तो it was important for me to do it like a pro. एक और सीन है जिसमें आपने एक मोन्टाज देखा होगा जिसमें सुशांत और मैं दोनों चॉकलेट लेकर कर रहे हैं. वो किसी को समझ में नहीं आया होगा है क्या, बट दैट वाज टेम्परिंग एंड मैं टेम्परिंग कर रही होती हूँ और ही जस्ट जॉइन्स मी इन इट. So there were these two scenes which were a part of it.
What I would make out of that is she was my student and he became her student, I think. Learning how to
No,
talk.
he was only concentrating on chocolate, that's all.
Okay, I'm not on you.
I think when chocolate was there, probably not on me.
Okay. So no, but you know, I think you need to understand that even though it's the shop, she actually went through the training to make it look natural, and you know, she needed to play the part really well. So लगे हाथों सीख भी लिया.
Chocolate is an aphrodisiac. So was it like an added?
Sorry?
It's also kind of like an
Aphrodisiac.
Aphrodisiac. So was it an added advantage to get the chemistry on board for the film or something like that? Did you feel that?
I don't think it kind of added to the chemistry. I think we didn't need the chocolate to add to the chemistry.
I like that.
But yeah, it's something, as I said, it's a very important scene. When he comes to the chocolate shop, so it's always nice to sort of establish you know, the characters with their professions as well. Especially chocolate making is something she sort of finds her peace in. You know, it makes her happy. She starts her day with it. When she's going back, you know, we made sure कि जो scenes थे जिसमें मैं अपनी chocolate shop बंद करके जा रही हूँ, I had boxes. So normally आप chocolate बनाते हो तो जो chocolate बच जाती है आप उनको लेके जाते हो. You sometimes, depending on the chocolate, you can remelt it, you can you know, turn it into another kind of chocolate, you can refrigerate it and stuff. So we did pay attention to all those small details.
And how big a chocolate fan are you?
I love chocolates. I love desserts in general, but chocolates, anything to do with chocolates, I used to love. I think probably that was one of the main attractions for me for this class, that I would get to eat a lot of chocolates.
And while shooting, did Sushant put his hand on the chocolate because we see him in a very fit avatar in the film and normally also.
Oh, he loves desserts more than anybody else. Like, I think if he ever is a little low, all you need to do is give ice cream or chocolates to him and he gets happy.
But I think chocolate is good. In fact, it's a good antioxidant. And if you realize and if you'll see the movie, you'll see that they have actually done a lot of vigorous training. So वो balance out हो जाता है ना अगर थोड़ा chocolate ले लिया.
Oh, he works out a lot, but he loves desserts.
This Friday Wonder Woman is releasing in Hollywood. So I would like to know who is the Wonder Woman in your life?
I guess my mom, I would have to say, because she's someone, मुझे याद है, you know, she's someone who's, she used to continue studying, you know, when I was born, she was doing her PhD. And she managed to do her PhD with, you know, having a child and taking care of the child as well. She is one of, I think the first person in her family who sort of went for a job. उस टाइम पे उस ज़माने में होता था कि लड़कियां क्या करेंगी जॉब करके, क्या करना है इतना पढ़ के, बट शी डिड इट बिकॉज शी वांटेड टू. एंड आई थिंक शी इज समवन हू रियली इंस्पायर्स मी इन एवरी वे. आई रिमेंबर कभी कभी मैं लेट हो जाती थी अगर स्कूल के लिए और मेरा एग्ज़ाम है, तो मेरी मॉम कार चलाकर मुझे छोड़ने जाती थी और मुझे टाइम पे पहुंचा देती थी कुछ भी करके. सो आई यूज्ड टू टेल हर दैट यू आर अ सुपर वुमन, हाउ डू यू डू दिस, and I think she is one.
If we talk about the promotion, how is it going? Because every day we see an update from your end, either you are in Ahmedabad or in Pune or somewhere else. How is the promotion going?
It's going good. It's obviously now it's 9 days for Rabta, I think. 9 or 10? 9 days.
And today is going very chocolatey, I think.
Yeah. So it's going very well. We're trying to sort of reach out to as many people and, you know, just connect with them, have fun with them, talk to them about the film, make them aware of what the film is actually about. And I'm really happy that the songs are doing really well. I'm really happy that, songs Ik Baar Ya Rabta, all of them are doing so well. And they're connecting with the audience. I keep seeing a lot of updates in even, like Insta stories of people I follow in clubs where the songs are playing in clubs as well. So that keeps us excited.
During the after promotion, we also see the other side of Sushant. We've seen his inability to control tempo. Do you think an actor?
Oh, I thought the side that that we put up yesterday.
No.
Did you see the video that we put up yesterday?
No, I was talking about the.
You must see that video.
What I was trying to ask is he's often he's unable to control his temper, and during the after press conference, what we have seen during the promotional events too of it. Do you think an actor who is often considered as a role model should not display his erratic behavior in public?
It's very strange because I've known him through the filming process when Dhoni had not released. I saw him when Dhoni was releasing, and I saw him post Dhoni, and for me, he's been the same person. I think it's unfortunate that things have been taken in a wrong way at the two events that you're talking about. One of them, I think, purely just saying the fact that you don't know about something is not putting off anger. It's just saying and being confident about the fact that, okay, I'm aware of the fact that I don't know fully about this topic and I'm confident enough to say it, which is absolutely fine. I don't know what went wrong at that event. I think things were taken in a very wrong way, in a different way. Sorry?
Body language.
No, but nobody can see the body language of the person who's talking at the other end, no? And the fact is that we have a mic. So if the other person is talking to us in a particular tone and you talk in that same manner on a mic, it sounds different. So it's very unfortunate that it's been taken in a wrong way, I feel. I know him as a person and he's not like that. He's not short-tempered at all. And in fact, the other event, तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं था. I don't know why उसने post भी डाला था एक expression जो कहीं और से morph किया गया था. So I don't know why people do this, that they actually make the effort of going to another event's expression, copying that and pasting it on another event's expression. It's bizarre. I really feel, and us time pe I know that again we were talking to a journalist with a lot of noise, and he was far away. So when you tend to talk to a person who's far away without a mic there, in a public environment, you tend to increase your volume, which sounds like aggression. So I really feel that it's not like that, and I hope people see it also like this.
I think you have a food connect. Next film is Variety Ki Barfi.
I have a sweet connect probably.
Yeah. Barfi? Now you want to run Barfi?
No, I'm not making Barfi. Don't get excited.
How's the film going?
पूरा कंप्लीट हो चुका है. इनफैक्ट आई हैव स्टार्टेड डबिंग. मुझे राबता की प्रमोशन से टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है ज़्यादा डब करने का, और आप लोगों से बात कर करके आवाज़ की बैंड बज जाती है, तो वैसे भी डबिंग हो नहीं पाती है. बट फिल्मिंग पूरी कंप्लीट हो चुकी है. इनफैक्ट हमने गाने भी शूट कर लिए हैं और बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है. बहुत अलग दिख रही है फिल्म बाकी फिल्म से जो मैंने की है. सो दैट्स अगेन समथिंग आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट. आई वुड लव द ऑडियंस टू सी मी एज अ यूपी गर्ल for the first time.
There's also news that you are in the race for Baghi, where Disha is also the lead contender. So
I am not aware of the race. I have not been approached, so I don't know anything about it. As much as I would love to work with Tiger again, I've done my first film with him. We share a special bond, but I've not been approached for this one. Any other questions?
Thank you.
Thank you.